Namaste. Welcome to the maths class. And today, this is the third period for grade 8 on the topic simple interest. And here I have included the word problems related to simple interest, in which we will find out especially the rate of interest and the time. How to find out rate of interest and the time, okay, in word problems. Okay, word problems will be like this. Okay, I'm going to show here, and these are some important formula. Okay, simple interest, P into T into R, principal into time into rate by 100, and principal P equals to interest into 100 by time into rate, and time here is time equals to interest into 100 by principal into rate of interest, and rate of interest equals to interest into 100 by principal into time, and amount equals to principal plus interest, okay. And here, now for the next one slide, look, this is the first question. How long will the sum rupees 5,000 take to amount 8,750 at the rate of 15% per annum? This rate of interest, and how long it is asking. Then we have to find out time, and this is the sum. This is the principal deposited money 5,000, and this amount will be 8,750. As I have told in before previous class also, when there is given amount and principal, our first step is to find interest, because by using the interest only we can find out time here. That's why when there is given amount and principal, first of all find interest. Interest equals A minus P. Then subtract them. Then we'll get 3,750. Then rate is here 15% per annum. Then time equals to what? Now time equals interest into 100 by P into R. Okay. Then put the values and cancel up and down. You will get 5 years. This is the time. Then it will be 5,000 will be 8,750 in 5 years time. Okay. Now let's move to the next slide. Question number to look at. In how many years will the interest be 1/3 of the principal at the rate of interest? 6 whole number 2 by 3. 6 whole number 2 by 3 means it will be 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2, 20. 20 divided by 3 it will be. And here principal suppose x, principal you have to suppose x, and interest I equals to, it is given clearly there, interest, this one interest will be 1/3 of the principal. That means 1/3 of x. That means x by 3. Rate 6 whole number 2 by 3 percentage. It means 20 by 3. 20 by 3 percentage. Then time equals to what? Now time equals to interest into 100 by P into R. Time equals interest into 100 by P into R. Then put the value of interest x by 3 into 100. This one here by x by x into 20 by 3. X cancel. Okay, you can cancel them. Then this will go. This 3 will come down, and this 3 will be cancelled here also. 3 will be cancelled. And here is 20, and x is also cancelled. 20 into 5. That is 25 the 100. Then 5 years is the time. In 5 years, okay, in 5 years time the interest will be 1/3 of the principal. Okay, at the rate of 6 whole number 2 by 3 percentage per annum. Okay, this also you should not forget. Now look here in third question. And in third question, there are the two part. Okay, look here. If the interest on rupees 4050 in 5 years is 1620, this is first part of the question. Okay, from here, this is principal, interest is 1620, time is 5 years, and from this one we have to find out rate of interest, and that rate of interest will be used in second part of this question. Okay, from first one, rate of interest I into 100 by P into T, this is 1620 into 100 divided by 4050 into 5. Then if you cancel them, you will get 8% per annum. 0 0 cancel, 5 on the 5 520 is there, then 20 and this 405 cancel, then whatever value come, that will divide to this 162. Okay, this 0 0 cancel, that's why, and then answer will come here 8% per annum. Then that 8% per annum will be used in second case. Again, look at this rate of interest used in second case, and here is given on this 6000, this principal is 6000, and rate of interest same, then 6 years is time. Then we have to find out what will be the interest. Interest equals to P into T into R upon 100, principal is 6000, time is 5 years, rate of interest, this we have to use 8% per annum on, and divide by 100, then interest will be 2400 in this month. Okay, interest equals to 2400. 2400 is the interest. Okay, from this one. I hope you understood this clearly. Now let's move to the next slide. Oh, this is the class work. In this one, look at the interest of the sum of money at the end of 4 years is 4 by 5 of the sum. Means sum suppose x, then interest will be 4 by 5 into x. That is 4x by 5 here. Okay, 4x by 5 is the interest. Sum is x we have supposed. Find the rate of interest. Use the formula of rate of interest now. Rate of interest equals to I into 100 by P into T. Use that formula, then you will get the value here. Similarly, Vishnu had borrowed a loan of rupees 6000. That means principal is 6000 from the bank. Okay, 4 years ago, that is time. Okay, and if he paid total amount rupees this 9000 and got right of the loan, that means this the amount. When amount is paid, that is, that means our loan will be cleared. Whatever we have borrowed, that will be cleared. That 9000 is the amount. Okay, then 6000 is the borrowed money principal, then amount minus principal to interest will come. Then that interest will be used in this question. That we have to find out rate of interest. Rate of interest equals I into 100 by principal into time. Then you will get the value of the rate of interest. You can do easily now. In confusion, you can consult the previous examples also. And here's the homework, that is assignment. Okay, you can do at what rate of interest the sum of rupees 7500 amount to rupees this in 5 years. As I told you, this amount and this principal. From amount, if you subtract principal, you will get interest. That interest will be used in rate. Rate equals to I into 100 by principal, means this 10,000, this will get 10,500 is amount, and the 7,500 is principal. This principal will be used there. Then rate of interest will be in rate of interest equals interest into 100 by principal. The 7,500 into time is 5 years. Then you will get rate of interest. And this question, look, if the interest on rupees this 3,500 for 4 years is this clearly given 1,120 is the interest, and principal is 3,500, time is 4 years. Then we can find out here in how many years will the interest on rupees this be this at the same rate. Means whatever rate we find from first case, right? Okay, while solving at the topic, right? First case, from first case rate of interest find, and that rate of interest will be used here in second case. Okay, this is principal, and in this, what is a B 91. Okay, in how many years? That time we have to find out. Rate of interest we find from this first case, that will be used here. rate of interest equals to R equals interest into 100 by principal. Principal is 4,800 by, this is what we have to find out here. Time means interest into 100 by principal. Okay, principal into, we are finding here what, in how many years means time, no? Time equals interest into 100 by P into R. Okay, that R will find from first case. Rate of interest will be find from first case. That same rate of interest will be for the second case. I hope you can do easily this one. Okay, and today this much only. You keep on practicing. Okay, and difficulty you can watch the video again and learn it. Okay, don't forget to subscribe if you do not subscribe. Okay, like, and okay, you can share to the friends also. Thank you very much. Thank you for the watching.